Today, I'm going to show you how to search fonts in CapCut step by step so you can quickly find the exact style you want without scrolling through the entire font list. This is a super useful trick if you already know the name of the font you want, or if you want to speed up your editing workflow and make your videos look more polished. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project. You can use an existing project or start a new one, but either way, make sure you're inside the editor before you continue. Once your project is open, look at the menu and click on Text, then choose Add Text. This will place a new text layer into your project that you can fully customize. After adding the text, click on the text box on the timeline so that it is selected. This part is important because the font options won't appear properly unless the text layer is active. Once it's selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where all of your text settings live, including font, style, size, alignment, and more. Now find the font drop-down in that right side panel and click it to open the full font list. If you've ever tried to manually scroll through dozens or even hundreds of fonts, you know how time-consuming that can be. That's why the search feature is so helpful. At the top of the font list, you should see a search box. Click inside that search box and type the name of the font you want to find. As you type, CapCut will filter the fonts and show you matching results almost instantly. This means you don't need to guess or waste time browsing through every option. Just look through the search results, find the font you want, and click it once to apply it to your text. After you select the font, you'll immediately see your text update in the preview. If the font isn't exactly what you expected, you can always go back and search again for another one. You can also use this same process anytime you want to switch fonts later in your edit, and that's all there is to it. Searching fonts in CapCut is simple once you know where to look, and it can save you a ton of time when you're editing text for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other video project. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more CapCut tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.